Hi everybody. So I was going to show you my Birchbox, but Birchbox has a new system and stuff. I'll show you. So you get, card. Now you get this now. Um, One problem is that I activated when I got the email, I think July 1st when they started, to kind of custom my first box. I could take things out and, whatever that. I couldn't do it on my phone. I don't know if they were having problems, but anyways, I put my email and I pressed the button to activate the thing. So I cannot get into my Birchbox. So I'm gonna have a talk to them today after I'm done doing this video, because I was going to show you what I got and I just realized it. Anyways, this is long overdue. I've been holding these up. I have 3 of them. Anyways, my mom got me this subscription. I think it was 2020. I think it was 2020. Last year. Or I think it was 2019 and then that. Anyways, whichever year. Anyways, she got me this subscription. It was my late birthday. What year it was. Anyways, this is I can't show you the back and the side because it has the sticker. Anyways, so this is a mystery crystal box. crystalhollow.com. I really like this. I really enjoyed it. Then the whole shipping thing happened. Then I start not getting them. Or it was shipping. My 4th one was shipping, and it was out sea. And then my mom, they canceled or they stopped it because of the whole situation. So yeah, I never got my 4th one. Anyways, so she started this in July early. So this was my first one. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Yeah, 5. Which is not that bad. Really good. So this one, I was kind of excited. Oh, also was a get this and then a doodad. This does not have expiration date, so I kept all 3 of them. Which is like, it comes with all the boxes. Anyways, they come with these. And then the information and like this, for example, that. Anyways, so my first one, I'm excited. There's a few that I'm excited about, and there's 2 in here I'm like, I'm still hesitating about, and really about this other one that I'm going to show you. Anyways, so let's start off. Now I have to like figure out here. Okay, so I have this one here. And they're nice size, they're good quality. So that's that. So that's that one. This one I'm excited about, this pyrite. Oh, so pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. And there's that. And then fire quartz that I showed you the card. This one has to be very, very careful. It's very, very raw. It's very sharp. So it's very pretty. Very pretty. And you get good sizes too. They're not skipping out. So that's that. And that. Okay, so I think I got that one wrong. I think I got this one wrong. This one. Excuse me. Well, it's hard. Okay, so I want your opinion. And I'm thinking of taking these two to a crystal shop and see what they say and take these two cards because they do not look like the pictures. Even being raw, they don't look like the pictures. So I'm just going to show you the cards. Okay. Let's do this one. Okay. This one. I literally had to find some apps, crystal apps, to get what these are. This is very beautiful. It's very glittery, sparkly, very raw, and very unique. But, okay. Here's the other one. I'm just going to put a little bit beside. This one I'm really, really, really confused about. But it looks like an arrowhead, but it's just the way it's shaped. But I'm very, very confused. It's raw, but it's... Here, I'll show it up close. And I'm very confused about, like, which one. I'm very confused. So, I'm going to do that. That sounds like a plan because I'm very confused. Alright, my other two I'm excited about. Oh, this one came at the right time. Oh. I get this set up for you guys. Oh. It's just, I haven't looked at these in a while, so looking at them again, it's like... Alright, so... I think it's my third. No, this is my second. Okay, so we have... This one came in the right time. And it's nice size. Like kind of like an egg. Very beautiful. Anyways, this one hit home for me because it's an angel stone, and legitly when I hold this the first time, or you know the second time or so, I could feel my grandma's presence. And I could see her and stuff, and it's just, it literally made me cry because it was so emotional. But yeah, this, there's that. So it's as this beauty, it is a little heavy. It's a beauty. It's my favorite. Oh, I want to show. I want to show a rose quartz. I have so many rose quartz. I don't need any more rose quartz in my life. I think I'm good. So this is this one. This is a good chunk. It needs to be cleaned because it's been over here with my diffuser. So it got a little bit dirty. So I need to clean that. So there's that, of course. Everybody knows what rose quartz is. This one is my beauty. This is my favorite. They're all my favorites except the first one. Except the ones that I knew they were. This one's pretty. So there's that. And there's that. Alright. And then I got a moonstone. So I got this pinkish one. Very, very pretty. Needs to be tumbled again because it's a little dirty. But that's okay. They're all unique. Okay, and the last one I saved. That was so cute. Is my century. So I have a slab. And then I have a stone. Okay, and then I'll show you what this is. Okay. Look at this beauty. It's a clear one. It has some rainbows. If you know, in the sunlight and stuff. But, oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Actually looks like a shoe. Looks like a shoe. Okay, that was weird. But yeah, that's, ugh. And then my last one, hopefully I will, my mom will continue and she will let the lady know. Or let the person know. Because I really enjoyed these. I really did. It's just those two I'm very confused about. So, oh, excuse me. This third one is my favorite. They're all my favorites, except those two that I'm very confused about. Alright, so let's just start it off with an rose quartz. But this one's way bigger. This sucker's beautiful. Look at that size. So I got two different sizes, different light pinks. Okay, I'm going to show you my red jasper. Really pretty and shiny. There's that. And then, so now I have a moonstone and now I have a sunstone. Ugh. So it has so much information it could put on the back, so I put it in the front. So there you go. And this is what it looks like. I like it's not polished, it's like very raw, but it's so beautiful. Very, very dusty. Okay, my last, oh, two more. Cool. That was awesome. Anyways, this is my amethyst. I'm going to show you a little bit. I'm going to make this into a necklace because, whoo, look at that baby. Look at that. Does that not be a necklace? That is so pretty. And it's perfect size because I have bigger ones. Okay, so, you know, I have my big heart Labrador that I won on Instagram from very random. I usually don't win things that so fast, so it was very shocking. So, I have a Labrador. Oops, sorry. Raw. It is raw. There is some flash. Oh, there it is. There is some flash, but it's very faint. There's a little rainbow here. You can't see it. Right there. A little rainbow. But it's so pretty. But it's nice as a raw piece. But yeah, oh, there we go. There we go. There's some flash. You can't see it, but I found some. There it is, right there. right there. Anyways, but this is beautiful having a raw piece from a huge smooth piece to a raw piece. But it's nice to have some raw and smooth pieces. So yeah, I like what I got. It's just those two I'm very hesitant about because it's very confusing. I know they're raw, but it just does not. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, I've been holding this up for so long for you guys. This is what I was been talking about. I think a couple past years or so when I was showing you my crystals that I had something and it was staring at me so evilly. Um, so yeah, this is what I have. This is going into my collection. And I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys check out the website. Um, they have really good stuff. They even have an Instagram and a Facebook, I think. But they have good stuff. Um, and I checked their website. Their prices are really good. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys like it. Like my new editions I've been holding up. I'm so sorry. And hopefully I will continue with this subscription soon. So yeah. Anyways, go. Talk to you guys later. Bye.